You're gonna love this one. What's the easiest way to increase your testosterone and lose weight? In third place, lose body fat. Alright, you're probably pissed off at me. That was obvious. Losing weight can increase your testosterone by 20 to 50%. More belly fat you have, more your estrogen will go up and more your testosterone will go down. Optimum body fat is 8 to 15%. If you're in your 40s and 50s, trying to stay around 12 to 15% is probably more realistic. It's simple. You put it in your mouth, it's going around your waist or in your belly. Or you use it to fuel burn fat. The two main micronutrients that seems to appear to affect the testosterone the most are the zinc and the vitamin D. You can also increase your dietary fat. Bumping your fat intake from 20 to 40% may increase the total testosterone by 10 to 15%. If you're not sure what to do, it's very simple. Subscribe to Cooking for Man, I'll show you the right recipes. Keep with the high testosterone food and stay away from the high estrogen food. It's time to wake up and smell the coffee. How to lose weight and increase your testosterone the easiest way. First, I got a small story for you. We all have that friend, he says that he can work and function on 5 hours of sleep a night. But when you look at him, he's got the funky chest going and he's got the shirt out of his pants. Also, when he watches a movie, he starts crying for no reason. Well, that guy's probably got low testosterone and high estrogen. So the facts are the facts, and you can see them go in front of you. There's two studies that I'm really interested in. The one study starts basically with a low-cal diet. One group sleeping, 5 hours a night, and one group sleeping 8 hours a night. They're both losing weight because they're on a low-cal diet. But the group that's sleeping less than 5 hours a night is actually losing 60% of muscle mass. So as a group that's sleeping 8 hours a night is keeping his muscle. That's extremely interesting in that study. The next study that I'm really interested in is a group that's sleeping 4 hours a night and a group that's sleeping 8 hours a night. They noticed that the group that's sleeping 4 hours a night has 50% less testosterone than the group that's sleeping 8 hours a night. They go on saying that every hour lost under 8 hours sleep can reduce the testosterone by 10 to 15%. So you see the importance of getting at least 8 hours sleep a night is amazingly huge. So there's my secret. That's what I do. I try to get at least 8 hours a night. And that's how you start shredding and getting some lean, mean muscle. So that's what my suggestion to you is. You sexy beast, if you want to start getting ripped and ready for race day, have a good night's sleep. If you guys like these types of studies and if you like these types of video, please comment, please subscribe to the channel. I'll keep on going and hopefully get you some good info. Thanks.